In this video, let me show you how to fix Netflix cannot watch with others. Now this mainly happens due to this particular account that you're using is not a part of the household plan. So if it is not yet part of the household plan, what you can do in this situation is simply send a invitation link to the account that is not yet part of the invitation plan, and then simply add in that person or that account. As soon as you do that, you should be able to fix this issue. Apart from this, what you can also do is, if you see the unsupported household being displayed or the error being displayed, you can simply head over to the Netflix home screen on your TV or on the application or on the app that you're using, and within the get help section you should be able to confirm the Netflix household as well. So try to see if this is the case with you. If this is not the case with you, this could also be happening due to the virtual watch parties. So if you're using watch parties such as Discord as well, in this situation what you can do is just update your browser that you're using or update the mobile app that you're using so that any sort of glitches or bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.